Imagine being alone in space and hearing a mysterious knock. 2003, China's first man in space, young Liwei, embarked on a historic journey aboard Shenzhou 5. Alone orbiting Earth, Yang hears an unexplained knock. No one else aboard, no explanation in sight. Yang searched but found nothing. Theories abound. Was it space debris colliding with the hull? The spacecraft's own mechanisms adjusting? Or something beyond our current understanding? What do you think caused the knocking? Share your theories. Stay informed, stay curious, subscribe for more.